I know you've probably seen this before, but I'm gonna show you again. If you go to Lowe's and buy stainless bolts, like carriage bolts for these steps on this 57 Chevy truck, they have GBD in it. I don't know why, but it does. So what I done is I took my bolt and I chucked it up in the drill, and I took a DA with 180 on it, and I spun it and run the DA, and it gave it like a circular finish. It cut the 180 will cut the GBD out, and then I took 320 to get rid of the 180 scratches. Now you may ask, why are you doing that? Well, we want a polished bolt for this step. So then I chucked this back into the drill after doing it with the 320, put a little bit of this on this pad. As you can see, I've already polished one, and I got these results. So if you want to take one that's got the letters and cut it out and make it like that, I mean, look at that shine. That's what I'm talking about right there. That cleaned up and is like a diamond. So we took it from lettered to sanded off to polished, all in just, I don't know, a couple of minutes. That will actually polish up even some more, because it's actually still dirty. I mean, look at that. I mean, really, just look at it. Now, some people may say you already had a polished bolt in that. You're just tricking us. Well, as you see, we'll do this one in real life time. Whoa! Get you some of that, internet world. YouTube, get you some of that.